Are your SEO and content strategies struggling to keep up with evolving search algorithms? In today's digital era, static keyword research is no longer enough. Search engines now prioritize context, relevance, and user intention over traditional keyword matching techniques. Welcome to the future where dynamic conceptual graphs revolutionize how you optimize content, improving search rankings with hyper-intelligent strategies. Traditional SEO strategies have long focused on keyword-centric optimization. Marketers often rely on techniques, but these outdated methods are becoming less effective as search engines grow smarter. Now it's all about semantic relationships, topic modeling, and user intent. That's where dynamic conceptual graph comes in. A revolutionary AI-driven model that understands content the way humans do. It's not just about keywords, it's about meaning and context. So how does it work? Dynamic conceptual graphs map relationships between topics, entities, and search behaviors. Instead of treating keywords as isolated elements, this model structures them into meaningful networks, creating a content ecosystem that search engines recognize as valuable and authoritative. By structuring content into these semantic networks, your website becomes more context relevant, improving visibility in search results. But that's not all. Unlike static keyword research, this model evolves over time. It continuously learns from user interactions, search trends, and competitive insights. By integrating AI-powered web scraping, it gathers live data from search engines, social media, and competitor websites, identifying new ranking opportunities and adjusting content strategies dynamically. This means your SEO strategy does not just respond to change, it anticipates and adapts to it. By implementing dynamic conceptual graphs, you ensure your content is not just relevant, it's intelligent also. Your website does not just rank for keywords, it becomes an authoritative knowledge hub that search engines and users trust. Search engines like Google prioritize well-structured content that aligns with user queries. This model enables you to craft content that aligns with evolving search intent, ensuring your brand remains competitive in an AI-driven landscape. What does this mean for you? More organic traffic, better user engagement, and a content strategy that stands the test of time. No more chasing search engines updates. Your strategy grows and adapts with AI-driven intelligence. With traditional SEO techniques, brands often struggle to keep up with frequent algorithm updates, but with these dynamic conceptual graphs, your content evolves naturally, reducing the need for constant manual adjustments. Brands now leveraging this cutting-edge approach are already seeing higher search rankings, increased conversions, and improved authority in their niche. The era of static SEO is over. It's time to embrace hyper-intelligent strategies that transform your content into a dynamic, self-optimizing powerhouse. Businesses that fall to adapt risk falling behind, while those who adopt AI-powered content models gain a competitive advantage in an increasingly digital marketplace. At that where we are pioneering the next generation of search optimization, our AI-driven strategies take SEO beyond conventional methods, delivering real intelligence and real results. Whether you are an enterprise-level business or an ambitious digital marketer, we have the tools and expertise to help your business that dominates search rankings.